Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do a Rubik's Cube. It's pretty simple. Just, you gotta be smart, you gotta use your brain. The first thing about a Rubik's Cube is it's always just trying to get you angry. So you gotta just like take it down, like, just be smarter than what it is right now. So, on a Rubik's Cube, I haven't done it in my whole life before, but I reckon I know how to do it. I reckon I got it. And yeah, this time maybe I'll get it. And so, first thing about a Rubik's Cube is you really don't know anything about a Rubik's Cube, but where was that two things that I had? I swear I had like two things. Oh, there they are. I don't know, what's that? Well, there it is. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now I'm gonna switch this back. But yeah, Rubik's Cubes are really easy to do. No. Rubik's Cubes are really easy to do. So first I'll give you just some tips, because I don't know how to do the Rubik's Cube either. English sucks. But yeah. I don't know how to do the Rubik's Cube either. So if anybody wants to help me, just subscribe. Yeah. So yeah, never underestimate the power of a Rubik's Cube.